Hello guys, good day. Welcome to my channel. So today bubalik tayo kay Buds, and this time magpapa-ceramic coat tayo para sa ating Montero. So ang kinuha nating package sa kanya ay yung graphene package niya. So nasa 21,000 yung package nila for mid-size SUV. And for me, okay naman na yung package na binigay nila sa akin kasi kasama na roon yung interior detailing, engine detailing, windshield, all windows, tires and mugs na a-applyan nila ng ceramic coat. So, ayan, napaka-kintab. And it took them 2 days to finish the job. And so far, I'm quite very happy naman sa kanilang gawa. Sila rin yung nag-install ng ceramic tip, no, para sa aking Montero. Kaya tayo bumalik ulit sa kanila kasi we're quite happy sa pulido ng kanilang pagtatrabaho. So kasama na sa package na binigay nila sa akin ay yung pre-maintenance for 2. So every 6 months yun. So after that, kapag magpapa ceramic maintenance tayo is nasa 1,800 yung kanilang fee. So yan, pati engine, very nice, very neat yung kanilang pagkakagawa. Right? So, gwapong-gwapo na ulit ang ating Montero. So, ayan, yung kanilang finished product, no? So, mas makintab pa yan nung bagong labas sa kasa. So, for me guys, no, isa sa pinaka-important upgrade na pwede ninyong gawin sa inyong sasakyan, yung ceramic coating, or kung may budget kayo, yung PPF. But for me, I'm quite happy na sa ceramic coat, no? Lalo na kung wala kayong sariling garahe, so you can protect and maintain yung body kit ng inyong sasakyan, lalong-lalo na sa acid rain damage at kapag nakababa dito sa initan ng araw. So ayan, so I hope guys you like the video and please support my channel. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and always remember to always chill and fun. Thanks for watching and keep safe. Bye bye.